I'm here in front of St. James Church. It's an amazing place, Medjugorje. I tell you, I received so much here. I'm so grateful to Our Lady, beautiful as always. There she is in the back, and here is St. James Church, 7 o'clock in the morning. It's very, very peaceful. You see not many people here now, but it's just beautiful to be here. And I take you now to the chapel where there is Holy Mass, and let's go together. See nearly nobody on the streets and in the sanctuary, and I'm so grateful to be here. I received so much. I only can recommend to come here to Medjugorje. You will receive for your life, for your soul, healing, restoration, and peace, joy. It's just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful to be here, and you feel the peace looking at this video, I guess. And just want to share this impression with you here, and the gratitude I have at this special day, the 7th of June. I like this day a lot, and I have a lot of gratitude. I'm grateful for being here at this place. I received so much from my part: healing, restoration, peace. Look, there's Our Lady. And she's waiting here for you guys. Everybody, come and taste how good the Lord is. I only can say it's written in the Bible. And Our Lady leads you to Jesus. Jesus leads you to God the Father, who is in love with you. It's each one of us. He's madly in love. I experienced that here. And I wish for you the same experience that you experience. This joy, this peace, this happiness. And just beautiful to be here. ¿Para la misa española? Sí. Es para allá. ¿Para aquí?
Oh, gracias.
De nada. Just helping some Spanish people go to Mass, where I'm going now too. Here you see St. James Church again in the back. I'm going to Adoration Chapel, where there is the Spanish Mass. Yes, there it is. We go to Spanish Mass. I have to leave you, love and leave you. Pray for me, I pray for you. God bless you all from Medjugorje. And I leave you with the view on St. James Church. Bye bye for now.